Hey lovelies, I'm just in the kitchen and I haven't done this for a long time. I tried to find my live and I couldn't find it, so I just went ahead and started cooking, and I thought, no wait, I really will benefit from putting something up, because I know a lot of you can get to the point where just most nights are like, what's for dinner tonight? And so I do like to inspire. So I've just thrown in an onion, garlic and ginger, and I've just chopped that up and sauteed that. And the recipe that I'm using tonight is, let's just take a look here. I'll just find the recipe detail for you. It's called Turmeric Cauliflower Soup. And I love this one because I build it's often a template and I can switch and change things up. But what we're really wanting to focus in on is some great nourishing, immune boosting ingredients. So that's why I often choose this one. So there you have just onion and garlic, ginger with those spices in there, and the oil to saute. So that's just been 3 minutes on 120 degrees. So now we'll come back to the recipe. As I say, I was going to not do this, and I thought, no, I'm going to jump in. I can stick this on YouTube and give you a few more ideas. Now I know a lot of people's have indicated to me soup's not really a filling meal for most of their family, and so I suggest that you have a couple of layers of your dish. So why not make up your bread rolls, have your bowl of soup. You can have a bit of a rice dish or a quinoa dish, even go into a nice little curry after, and have a 2-course meal. So this way you're getting the added nutrients that come in through soups. Soup is pre-digested, so it's really easy on the stomach. I find these days I do much better if I have my full meal at lunch and then just a light meal at night time. So that's my little tip as a health coach to a lot of my more aging customers. And when I say aging, like I'm over 50, so I think that actually you do change, your metabolism changes, your digestive system changes, and it is quite a good thing to lighten up of a night time. So 500 grams of Cauli. Now this is one medium-sized Cauli. So I'm going to pop that in. Now the recipe did start with a couple of potatoes, which I didn't put in, and I want to really make this a nourishing soup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just chop that down, and I'll tell you what else I'll put in there. Let's just park that, give that a quick chop. That's one Cauli gone in the mix. Okay, you can see that blitzed. All right, we'll go back and then this is where I'll add, because I didn't have the 2 potatoes to start with, I'm going to add a couple of sticks of celery. We know how good celery is for us. It's one of those veggies that not many people really love and use enough, and I like it because I can sneak these into any soup that I make. You know, you use up those little internal pieces of your celery that usually get discarded. And of course, great immune boosters here. So I'm going to throw in, there's probably a good 2 sticks of that. And look, I'm going to overload, because what I'm going to do is chop this down, and I might split then my ingredients between my 2 Thermomixes and make a double batch of soup. I think cook once and everything goes in together, girls, and then I can eat for the rest of the week. I've got a couple of shallots. They're going to go in there too. Okay, chopping. about 20 seconds is enough to blitz that up. I find that that's key. If you want to make a thicker, richer soup, then it's quite to your advantage to actually blitz it up. Some soups just leave chunky and then you cook them and do the blending after, but I just find you can get more in. So as you can see, there's quite a lot of veggie mash. Where did that celery go? So just at this stage, pop all that in there. Now it depends how thick and creamy you like to make your soup. What I can do, because I know it's going to fit in here now, judging by the amount of veggie matter, put my stock in and I'm going to cook this up. So what I'll do then is divide it up, have some for tea, pop some in jars, and then I'll be able to just add some coconut cream to it to thin it out when I come to using it. So that's chopped down. Okay, it wants 800, this has just been out of my freezer today, 800 grams. Look at that, almost to the T. Now this will be a bit thicker than the original recipe, which is great. I like to make it thick. Feels a little bit more nourishing. And as I say, I'll cook this up and then I will add in the coconut cream to it once it's ready to be eaten. Salt, look, I'll pop this in, save fiddling now. Veggie stock paste, I'm going to pop that in after I speak to you. So salt, pepper, and off it goes for 20 minutes. All right, so that's quick and simple, right? Nothing beats a soup when you can smuggle all those goodies into it. And then I just saved my jars. As you can see, these are just my trusty coconut oil jars. And jar it up so they can sit in the fridge for a couple of days, pop them in the freezer if you want to keep them for longer, or gift one to a friend. So there's that's a couple of days ago I made the same soup, and full of nutrition. So that's pretty straightforward, I'm sure you'll say and agree. 8 minutes and I've just zipped that on. I can go and have a shower now and then dinner will be ready. Thanks to my little trusty maid in the kitchen. So I just might take the liberty at the moment. I've probably got a lot of customers that will watch this, but those of you who haven't got a Thermomix, this TM6 has been out for 2 years, almost 2 years now, and it is still here with the introductory price, which is all about to go away in the next few days. So July turns the corner for us and the introductory price is no longer, so we will see a price rise. If you are thinking about getting a Thermomix, I'd say there's never been a better time right now, because you might save yourself enough money to buy a couple of other things. And with this promotion, the month of June, end of financial year, you can grab yourself a little mini vac. I haven't got one to demonstrate. I've got a couple of robots and a Kobold, which are all 4-vert, but looking forward to earning my own mini vac. And they are valued at $249, but with your purchase of your Thermomix this month, you'll get to pick one of those up for $49. So yeah, wonderful opportunity to get your little clean-up crew, and hopefully that will be as helpful as the Thermomix is on your bench. Now, we love to come and demonstrate the Thermomix. I know at the moment there's all sorts of changes happening over the last couple of days, and worst case scenario, we can also do an online virtual demo. So if you're thinking about doing that before the end of the month, like to see more of the Thermomix, please let me know, because we can always do a Zoom, and if you and a couple of friends want to jump on and watch me make something of your choice, then there's a good chance that we will get you an additional host reward with that. So I'll pop my link as well down below, which will give you an opportunity if you want to check out the different payment options. If you want to see some more, I've got my YouTube channel, so that's also there in my link tree, and Cookidoo classes. So if you're a customer and you haven't done a Cookidoo class yet, I'd encourage you to do that ASAP. It's just so to your benefit. You've invested in this amazing machine. Our recipe platform is just incredible. It is growing every week. We're seeing new recipes, new collections, not only nationally but across the globe. So we are able to jump in and see the UK, USA, Canada. I've got all my English-speaking countries that are on my filters. So when I bring up a search, I have thousands of recipes to search for. So it's really a great tool, and it's helping us streamline when we get in the kitchen and get out. Here I am, 10 minutes, that's all I wanted to be tonight. And I better hurry up because I've got to go and have a shower before this gets ready to call me. So I hope you've enjoyed my little immune boosting soup tonight, giving you some ideas. You might not have cauliflower, you might want to do a mixture. You might have some potatoes, some leek, follow the recipe as it started, sweet potato, zucchini. You could use a whole mixture, 500 grams of mixed vegetables in that. But the key is definitely get that ginger, get the garlic, onions and the spices in whatever dish you're making for combating the winter nasties. So have yourself a great night, great rest of the week. Stay safe and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.